在一起。
In the warm, tropical waters of the South Pacific lies the ultimate in natural beauty. It is a place where turquoise lagoons, white coral sand beaches, and breathtaking sunsets are commonplace. A place with ancient traditions and a history of intrigue. The islands of Tahiti, also known as French Polynesia, are located south of the equator in the same time zone as Hawaii, about halfway between California and Australia. Accessible by plane, just under an 8-hour flight from Los Angeles, they are considered by many to be one of the last remaining unspoiled paradises. "118 islands and atolls spread out over 5 archipelagos lie scattered over more than 2 million square miles of the Pacific Ocean. However, the total landmass of the islands is only slightly larger than the state of Rhode Island. Water and lagoons account for far more of this country than land. And here, water is a way of life. Due to the unique volcano-formed coral reefs, geographic latitude, and year-round 80-degree temperatures, the islands of Tahiti have become one of the top surfing destinations in the world. And although it wasn't until the 1990s that the big barrel waves at Teahupo'o helped raise awareness of Tahiti as an elite surfing destination, the locals have known it for generations. In fact, on Captain James Cook's third expedition to the Pacific in 1769, one of his crew members, Joseph Banks, recounted in great detail the joy of witnessing the skill of the Tahitian surfers. And as part of the surfing lifestyle, Tahitians embody a laid-back, fun-loving spirit. This easy spirit, set amidst incredible natural beauty, is what makes the islands of Tahiti a favorite romance and relaxation destination. And in this exotic paradise, adventures can be found at every turn. Blessed with a balmy climate and plenty of sunshine, the islands of Tahiti display a stunning array of flora and fauna that is totally unique to the area. Among the 1,000 plant species on the islands are tropical fruits such as coconut, papaya, and noni. Flowering plants like ginger and the delightfully scented tiare, or Tahitian gardenia, are used in everything from fashion to food garnishes. Tahiti plays host to over 800 species of fish, sharks, sea turtles, and shellfish. It is easy to see why Tahiti is a snorkeling and scuba divers' mecca. Tahitians themselves are an adventure-loving people. Dance is still an integral part of Tahitian culture, stemming from ancient religious rituals dedicated to the god Oro. Today, dancers continue to perform with traditional music. Another important part of the culture here is hospitality. This tradition of giving back can be seen in the way Tahitians treat their visitors. Luxurious overwater bungalows feature special glass panels that allow visitors to see marine life below. Some offer room service via canoe. It's this type of indulgence that makes the islands of Tahiti a premier destination for travelers in search of secluded luxury. Perhaps it is the surf, or the white coral sand, or the crystal clear waters teeming with marine life. Or maybe it's the rich heritage of its people, the chance for adventure, or the lavish natural treatments the islands supply. Or perhaps it is all of these things that make Tahiti the ultimate paradise.
Te e te ia e te rima o te atua Orine tia mai te mai moa Te ia e te mau Te ia Te ia e te a Nua nua I te hiti raa o te mahana Va'a teni teni te ie no tonu whe no ta Te poi e te hia e te ringa o te atua Porine tia a haere I mua E iaha te mata oto haere noa Te hura oia ke hiro a Te tumu oto oa oa
Wahi tira E marua po Anapanapa Te mau whetia I te pōuri Te tia oro nei Te nuna I te atua He reo pi e au e ue Te atua I te ra I te aro whai mai Rongo e mana hawe Paa whano ia ure I te e ao te ri A he